This Keller Williams Realty Johnson County property video is presented by Scott L. McNabb. Open house December 19 from 12:30 to 4:30, like new custom home built by Lillian Custom Homes in Bluebird Meadows with highly sought after Joshua Schools. This home features a beautiful kitchen with granite countertops and a large breakfast bar. You will love warming up by the Austin stone fireplace in the large living area with beautiful wood floors. A large covered patio and large yard is great for your outdoor enjoyment. Easy access to Chisholm Trail Pkwy for quick commute to Fort Worth or Cleburne. Nice sized bedrooms with 3 of them featuring walk-in closets. Call today for a showing. For more information, review the details below or contact Scott L. McNabb at 817-614-3761.